Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. On this channel we do basically everything pertaining to beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this easy Valentine inspired look. This look is very beginner friendly, doesn't require any form of cut crease. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, okay, so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Please don't forget to like this video and please don't forget to drop a comment. So I'm just using my regular P. Louise base in the shade 0, and I'm just patting this all over my lid. I'm patting it in and I'm not dragging it, just to make sure everything is properly blended, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Next, I'm keeping the eyes super simple. I'm using the Festival and Saharan palette, both by Juvias Place. The first color I'm using is that Izafa shade, and I'm just patting this on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to slightly take it into my eyes, but I'm not going to drag it too far down because I want the center of the lids to be blank for the other shades I'm going to put. And I'm just putting a bit of that other shade, Irigi, and I'm just blending that slightly above. I'm taking that shade Bororo and I'm just going to spray my brush slightly with some rosewater just to intensify the pigmentation from that particular shade. Next, I'm taking that pinkish shade, I'm spraying it again, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, just like so. And next, I'm taking that whitish shimmery shade and I'm just putting that to make my inner corners pop. Next, I'm just taking my brush and I'm just blending over the edges just to make sure that everything is properly diffused. I'm taking my inglot gel liner in the shade 77 and also my inglot pencil liner, and I'm just taking this to do my eyeliner. I'm not going to wing out this eyeliner, I'm just going to leave it halfway, just where my eyelids end. And I'm taking that black shade from the Saharan palette slightly just to make sure that the edges of that liner is diffused so it doesn't look patchy. I got quite carried away applying this concealer, so I put a little more than I would normally use, but I ended up making it work. taking the same shade I used, which is Izafa, and I'm just putting that in my waterline. I'm going back into that whitish shade just to re-intensify my inner corner. I lined my waterline with some black liner, and I just put on some mascara, and I'm putting on my wing lashes in the shade Scent Ola. My lips today, I'm actually going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C20 to line my lips. You guys, I use this concealer for so many things, and I just love the consistency. You can see how beautiful that looks. It's a perfect brown for brown skin, dark girl like myself. I'm taking my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London and my NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and I'm just going to mix these two together. Baby, are you seeing this highlight? Like, can you see this highlight? I didn't know where I was going with this look, but I'm quite pleased at the outcome, or rather how everything turned out. It just looks so sweet and sumptuous and luscious. Oh god, you guys, sometimes this beauty actually overwhelms me, for real. Like, does your beauty overwhelm you? Because you should be worried if your beauty actually doesn't overwhelm you. Okay, I think red or pink goes with Valentine. I don't know, but personally I prefer pink to red. Yeah, you guys, this is the final look. If you made it till the end, thank you so much for watching. Please, once again, don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to comment, drop a comment, tell me what you thought about this look. And also, please don't forget to subscribe so you get notified anytime a new video goes up. Okay?